How to three-way call on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your phone application on your device and then make sure to choose a call where you want to add. So just make a call to that person over here. And as you do that, the other person needs to hold or just pick up or receive the call over here. And as the other person receives the call, you'll be able to tap on the more option over here, and then here you'll be able to see the option of add call. So tap on, as you tap on the call to other person, you'll be able to hold the other person, the first person on the hold, and then until and unless that other person who receives the call, you can tap on more again and then tap on add call and add another person. And after that, you'll be able to see the merge option over here on the menu, and you'll be able to make a three-way call on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.